Parrots, also known as psittaciformes, are birds characterized by a strong, curved beak, an upright stance, and clawed feet. Here are some amazing species of parrot. Before we dive right in, like and hit the subscribe button for more interesting tips. Number 1. Cockatiel. Number 2. Budgerigar. 3. Cape parrot. Number 4. Cockatoo. Number 5. Scarlet macaw. Number 6. Red-bellied parrot. Number 7. African gray parrot. Number 8. Austral parakeet. Number 9. Crimson rosella. Number 10. Golden parakeet. Thanks for watching.